Right, so in this video, we're going to be using what's called a compound interest calculator. What this calculator does, it figures out your compound interest for future values. Okay, so if you do make an investment, you'd like to know what you will get from that investment within 5 to 10 years. This calculator does the job for you. All right, so to figure out your compound interest and your future value, you will need your principal, your interest rates, your compounding rate, whether annually, semi-annually, quarterly, and so on, as well as your time in years. Okay, once you have that, we'll be using this figure over here, this table over here rather, okay, to figure out your compound interest. Okay, so let's take an example. Okay, let's say your principal is $50,000. Okay, and your interest rate is 8%. Okay, so your interest is 8%. All right. Now, this is compounded semi-annually. Okay, so if it's semi-annually, you will use 2. All right. If it was annually, okay, you will type in 1. Okay, if it was quarterly, you will type in 4. If it was monthly, you would type in 12, and so on. All right. So the compounding rate semi-annually, so we'll use 2. Time in years, let's say 10 years. All right. Notice this calculator automatically figures out your period. All right. Now, this period is something that you will use on this table over here. Okay. So let's say your period is 10 and your interest rate is 8%. Okay. So you're going to crisscross. You're going to move towards your right. You're going to look for 8% for 10 periods. Okay. This is 2.1589. So this is our table value, okay, which we'll enter over here. Okay, so that's 2.1589. Once you type in your table value, as soon as you press enter, okay, this calculator will tell you your future value, which is $107,945, as well as your total compound interest, okay, which is $57,945. All right, so this is basically how you use this calculator to figure out your compound interest in dollars.